you go. Just put it on this end. Just let it go. There you go. So you notice, right, this side is downhill. Right? It seems like that. Now, but it doesn't look that way. So the ball's rolling this way, but that kind of looks uphill. But just kind of confirms that side actually is uphill. The ball is just rolling down. So it just looks cooler than it actually is. But that's not really the mystery about this right now. Knowing that side's uphill and this side's downhill, right, the ball rolls downhill, or the 1 out of 5 chances, right? And the bubble shows that side's higher. So knowing that side's higher, when you walk uphill, usually it looks like you get taller, right? If you're walking uphill, right, or up the side, it should look like you grow. You might notice, looks like I shrink, right? I get shrink.
Yeah, it does. That's really freaky.
It appears as if I grow or I get taller. Now I know what many of you are probably thinking right now. You guys are saying to yourselves, tour guide, you can't fool us. That's not a mystery at all. It's just that roof behind you causing an optical illusion. Yeah. Right, the angle of the roof, maybe when I walk uphill, the roof is higher and higher, farther away from my head, making it look as if I shrink, right? And when I walk downhill, the roof gets closer and closer to my head, making it look as if I grow. Alright? Well, optical illusions are what you see, though. So if you cannot see an optical illusion, then it cannot affect you. 1 second. Now I'm going to need you guys to quiet down in there. Shh, sorry, just too loud. Alright, thanks. Now, optical illusions are what you see, right? So say you can't see this roof, then it won't affect you. It can't cause an optical illusion, right? Knowing that, is there anybody out there 6 feet tall? Not over that height, just about 6 feet? 6'1", maybe?
6'3", but yeah.
Anybody? 6 foot? Alright, come on up. Go ahead and stand right there on that end, facing out towards the crowd. Alright, is there anybody 5'10"?
Whoa.
Alright, either way. Rock, paper, scissors for it?
No.
Stand right there. Alright, is there anybody 5'8", 5'7"? 5'7", 5'8"? Come on down for us. You can stand right next to me for us. Watch your step. Watch your step. Anybody 5'5", 5'4"? Or you want to go down?
No, you can go. You go ahead.
And last but not least, is there anybody 5'2", 5'1"?
5'2", I suppose.
Now, you guys can spread on out the whole bench just so you're not so crammed on there. Alright, perfect. Now, you guys are lucky. You guys might be feeling a little more famous now because you're now in an AT&T commercial. Now, when you look to your right, everybody is shorter than you, right? And when you look to your left, unfortunately, everybody is taller, right? I'm sorry. But just remember how you're standing height-wise. Now, if you guys look straight forward, can you see that roof behind you? No. No. Alright. Yeah, we can't see stuff behind us, but all that proves is that they cannot see it, so it can't be an optical illusion to them, right? Optical illusion are once again what you see. Knowing that, just remember how you're standing height-wise, and if I can have the 2 on the end switch, you're going to stay right in the middle, and if you switch out.
Am I tall now?
No, you're the same side.
You will notice you guys are all about the same height. That's pretty strange. You guys cannot see that roof behind you. You just went downhill in the group. Congratulations. How does it feel to be 6 feet tall? And you just went uphill and shrank. I'm sorry, sir. That's non-reformable height. Now, just to show how dramatic that is, just to show how dramatic that actually is, and how dramatic that height change is, right? If I got the 2 on the end, switch back, I'm sorry. Just them two, just them two. Just to show how dramatic, right? Quite a difference, right, from being the same height. Yeah. Now I have one last experiment for you guys, though, one last thing. What you guys are going to do is go ahead and put your hands by your hips. And you're going to bend at your hips until you physically get closer to the ground, right? When you slowly start to come up, you're going to notice something awesome. Everybody begins to clap.